Students, we are on the grammatical portion of chapter number 11 and we are doing the exercise portion. We have done the adverb clauses exercise earlier. Now we are moving towards the second exercise which is also related to adverb clauses. Let's see what is the question. Supply suitable adverb clauses. Here are some clauses given to us और हमने इसको adverb clauses में इसमें add करनी. Keep in mind the definition of adverb clause है कि adverb clause is a group of words which work as a adverb. So let's move to first statement. Nobody likes him. Here the verb is likes. We have to provide a adverb clause जो कि as a noun को define करे. So he is saying that nobody like him and we are providing him with the adverb clause because he is naughty. So all of these sentences here acting as a adverb which qualifies the verb likes. Look at the next sentence. She is sing exactly like they have taught her. Here, same, all of these words working as a adverb. I will not go out because I am tired. I shall remain here until she returns to pick it up. All of these words here are working as a adverb. And the last one is because he was unavailable, I spoke to his brother. Here at the very start, adverb clause is being put here to define the word spoke. So students, आपने देखा कि हमने कुछ एडवर्ब क्लासेस प्रोवाइड की जहां पे जरूरत थी और एडवर्ब क्लासेस को पुट करने के टाइम आपने ये अपने दिमाग में रखना है कि एडवर्ब क्लॉज है क्या. बेसिकली एडवर्ब क्लॉज का काम क्या है, वो एडवर्ब के तौर पे काम करती है और एडवर्ब का काम क्या है, वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करना, वर्ब को डिस्क्राइब करना. I hope you understand the concept of adverb clauses. Now let's move to next question.